BMW 5 Series GT by AC Schnitzer. When it comes to building tuning programs for BMW cars, you won't find a tuning house that's more capable than AC Schnitzer. The famed German tuner has done some sort of tuning package for a lot of BMWs in the past, and with the recent release of the BMW 5 Series GT, it was only a matter of time before AC Schnitzer began working on a program for 5 Series GT. And as expected, the German tuner has once again delivered on latest project, a tuning program for the new BMW 5 Series GT. The tuning kit for the 5 Series GT is based on the 6-cylinder 530D, which spikes the engine's total output from the standard 245 horsepower to 286 horsepower. Among the notable features of AC Schnitzer's exterior package for the 5 Series GT includes a twin sports rear silencer, chromed sports trim tailpipe trims and chromed racing tailpipe trim, front and rear spoilers, bonnet vents with chromed center web, side skirts, and 19 or 20 alloy forged wheels. Press release after the jump. Press release. Gran Turismo means Grand Tour, and this is the principle behind the 5 Series GT by AC Schnitzer. The performance upgrade from 245 to 286 HP for the 6-cylinder 530D already gives the standard car more pulling power and racing flair, which is demonstrated externally by the AC Schnitzer engine styling with capacity logo. Yet the 5 Series GT by AC Schnitzer doesn't just bring a gleam to the eyes of BMW fans, but acoustically it delivers what the aesthetics promise at first glance. The AC Schnitzer Twin Sports rear silencer is the ideal tuning product for drivers with an appreciation of engine sound, to whom design elements such as the chromed sports trim tailpipe trims and the chromed racing tailpipe trim are equally important. Impressive comfort in driving behavior, even on dynamic driving on twisty roads, is achieved by the AC Schnitzer suspension spring set. The tuning by the Aachen specialists makes the 5 Series GT convincing in every speed range thanks to its superb agility. 2 tons of unladen weight are irrelevant when the car is glued to the tarmac by the AC Schnitzer front and rear spoilers. Bonnet vents with chromed center web combine individual design with sophisticated engineering. The side lines are subtly emphasized by the AC Schnitzer side skirts, and the flowing dynamics of the coupe-like roof line are further enhanced by the AC Schnitzer rear skirt. The comfort of the Gran Turismo took priority in the fundamental architecture of the BMW 5 Series GT. So the specialists at AC Schnitzer completed the stylish elegance of the interior with a cover for the iDrive system controller, foot rest and pedal set in aluminium. Behind the frameless doors, velours footmats and boot mat welcome the driver. To enjoy a grand tour, the passengers must be well supported, so the silver AC Schnitzer wheels Type 4 in 19 or the bicolor version in 19 and 20 provide the perfect conditions technically and visually for an extraordinary trip. With the AC Schnitzer wheels Type 7 in silver and bicolor in 22 inches and the alloy forged wheels in Type 5 in 20 inches and 22 inches, the drive is even more firmly planted. Another ideal choice is the brand new Type 8 rims in 19 inches or the racing forged alloys Type 8 in 22 inches. The new wheel with its double spokes in bicolor finish is an evolution of the well-known Type 6 wheel. All wheels are available with suitable tires. Driving comfort and performance at the highest level, that's the promise from the 5 Series GT by AC Schnitzer, a promise which is guaranteed to be kept on the next Grand Tour.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.